Good day to everyone. So today we're going to discuss to you our final project in ITST 305, the cloud computing. And our final project is Mood Sync, an AI-driven music recommendation app for enhancing mood and emotional support. Before that, let me introduce my group mates. I'm with Arellano, Balasta, De Hoya, Rafael, and Orete. So before we start, let me give you the overview of this discussion or presentation. First, we're going to give you the brief overview of the project, problem statement and purpose, overview of features, and the live demonstration of project. So to begin with, for the brief background, so the inspiration behind the development of the mood sync stemmed from growing recognition of music's powerful role in influencing emotional and mental well-being. As students experiencing various academic and personal pressures, we recognize the need for a tool that not only entertains but also support emotional regulation. Research showed that music, when aligned with a person's emotional state, can uplift, calm, or help process feelings more effectively. Moreover, during the COVID-19 pandemic, we observed how individuals turn to music to cope with stress and isolation, highlighting its therapeutic value. With advancement in artificial intelligence, we saw an opportunity to combine emotional awareness and personalized music suggestions to create a supportive app that promotes self-reflection and mood improvement. The addition of a chatbot of emotional insight further deepened our goal to create a personal companion for mental wellness tailored to the user's feelings. MoodSync is our contribution to bridging technology, mental health, and everyday emotional care.
So for the problem statement, many individuals struggle with managing their emotional well-being due to stress, anxiety, or other mental health challenges. While music has proven therapeutic benefits, existing music apps typically rely on listening history and genre preferences, lacking emotional awareness. Users have limited access to tools that recommend music based on their current mood or emotional state. Moreover, there is a lack of integrated features that encourage self-reflection or provide emotional support outside of clinical settings. So this gap highlights the need for a personalized mood-based music recommendation system that supports emotional regulation and mental wellness. So for our purpose of the study, the purpose of this project is to develop MoodSync, an AI-powered mobile application that provides music recommendation based on users' self-reported emotional states. The app aims to improve emotional well-being by developing mood congruent or mood incongruent music. So, uh, it depends on the mood of the user. If mood congruent or mood incongruent music. For example, when a user select the sad mood, our app will suggest happy music to make him happy. So the main purpose of our app is to make the user have healthier emotion or mood. So we integrate a conversational chatbot Mood I to assist users in identifying and reflecting on their emotions. MoodSync seeks to offer a simple, accessible tool for individuals to manage their mood and mental state through personalized emotion-aware music experience.
So for the overview of features, we have three, which are the profile page, mood selection, and music player. For our profile page, we can see the user status, and then for our mood selections, we have the five main moods along with the sub moods, and then the list of songs, and then for the music player is when the user selects a mode and then clicks the button of a play queue, it will pop up the music along the playlist.
So MoodSync live demonstration.
So for the live demonstration of the application, we have the statement that getting the name of the user. So the user will enter the name, then click the get started button. Then it will be redirected to the Mood AI or the AI music recommendation feature. So at first, the user will select a main mood of what he or she experiencing right now. Then for the sub moods, the user can select up to 3 moods. Then when we click the suggest music, so the AI will prompt and display the list of music suggested. Then when we play cue, it will go to the music player and it will play the song, but some music are not available because of the restriction of YouTube of the author in YouTube. Some of the music is able to play because the author didn't restrict the function in their access. Then we will go back to the dashboard. Here we can see the check-in of the user in his or her day on what he or she feels. Then we can track the mood in a week. Then we have emotions overview.
So for our chatbot po, we have a friendly AI for our mood sync. So his name is Modi. So unang prompt niya is, "Hi, I'm Moody. How are you feeling today?" So for our Moody AI po yan, you can type, "I feel stressed." So Moody will suggest a recommendation, and he will understand what is your mood. So yan, Moody is a friendly AI that will help you to monitor your mood and emotional well-being. It helps you to support your mood and boost your productivity. So this is a good example and a good uh, understanding when it comes to a mood of the user. So yan, you can say thank you when it's done, and the Moody will respond